Hi, I'm Judith Clancey. I've got the Edith turban here. We've been doing a few different ways how to style it. So this time I just flipped it the other way. So we're going to have the white on the outside. And we're just going to pop that. We've already got the band in place here. And we're going to put that on to the head, like so. And it will be nice and snug because you've already fitted that in place with this band here. And then we're going to get the scarf. And what we're going to do here, almost like a little rose, we're going to get little bits of the fabric, the silk, pinch little pieces together like this into like little pleats. You can see what I'm doing here. So all these little gathers. And then once you've got that, we're going to twist that round. You can see what I'm doing here. Just give a little finger in the middle and then wrap. I'm going to keep those little pleats in place. Wrap that round. And again, just putting the little pleats in place. Just going to turn it around to me for 1 second so I can see what I'm doing. And then just wrap it round and tuck it in underneath. And then as we're tucking that underneath, what we want to do is make sure that you tuck it into the band, which is right underneath there. Pull that down. You can cover that up. Let me show you from this side. And then you've got like a little rosette, and you can flip these sides back as well just to show a little contrast, or you know, you can turn them the other way so it's all white or back, whatever takes your fancy. So this is another way. She's got a very sleepy head. Another way of showing how we can tie the Edith.